Hello students, let's solve this question from O-level May-June 2018, paper 2, variant 2. It is O-level D math syllabus, and the topic discussed in this question is function graphs. Function graphs is a very important topic lately. Since past few years we see some tricky questions related to this topic. So let's solve this question. The first part is that an equation is given to us that it is in terms of x, that y is equal to x squared by 2 minus 3x plus 2. First we have to complete this table. So here if we substitute minus 1 in place of x in this equation, it becomes y is equal to minus 1 square over 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. And after solving it, we get y is equal to 5.5. Similarly, when we substitute 7 in place of x here, we get again y is equal to 5.5. Now let's plot these points on this grid. So first point is minus 1, 5.5. Minus 1 and 5.5 must be, as it is, we see the value of y will be 5 here. So between 5 and 6, somewhere here we have minus 1, 5.5, right? Now after that the point is 0, 2. So 0, 2 must be plotted here. After that it is 1 and negative of 0.5. So 1 minus 0 point will be approximately here. Then 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2, this point. This is the pattern of drawing the graph, that you have to make a dot and a circle around it. It is the recommended pattern from Cambridge examination point of view, that whenever you are going to plot the points, you have to follow this pattern. Either you will put crosses where you are making points, or you will put a dot and a circle around it. Okay. Now the next point is 3 minus 2.5. So 3 minus 2.5 will be about here. After that the point is 4 minus 2. This is 4 minus 2. Then 5 and minus 0.5. So that will be here. And 6, 2. So 6, 2. Here is we have 6, 2. Now let's join these points with a smooth curve. So a curve will be formed like this. Here is the curve. It goes like this. Okay. So the graph is drawn. Now the next part is, by drawing a tangent, estimate the gradient of the curve at x is equal to 1.5. Here we have 1.5, x is equal to 1.5 on the curve, it is here. So they are saying by drawing a tangent. So let's draw a tangent over here. That's the tangent. So now we have to find out, estimate the gradient of this curve. So I will take points in order to find out gradient. One is this point, can be taken. The other point I will take on this curve is about this one. Okay. Let's change the color of these points. So this one and this one, right? So the coordinates of this point are 0.50, and this point seems 3 and minus 3.5. So by using the formula of gradient, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The gradient comes out minus 3.5 minus 0 over 3 minus 0.5. Okay, so the value we get here by calculation, we get minus 1.4, right? Now the next part, complete these inequalities to describe the range of values of x where y is greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 0 means the part of graph where y is positive. We know that y is positive above x-axis. This line is the x-axis line. So above this line, the part of graph will show that y is positive. So from this point, behind this point, and ahead of this point, we see y is positive. So here, the value of x is approximately 0.8 on this point, and on another point, this one, the value of x is approximately 5.5. So we can write down the x is less than or equal to 0.8 and x is greater than or equal to 5.5. This is the range in which y is positive, because from these points we see the part of curve is above x-axis. That's why y will be greater than or equal to 0 beyond this range, right? So let's move to the next part now. On the same grid, draw the line 4y plus 3x is equal to 12. In order to draw a line, we need to find out intercepts. We can see that if x is equal to 0, then we have 4y is equal to 12, means y is equal to 3. So the point will be 0, 3. If I put here y as 0, then we get 3x is equal to 12, means x is equal to 4. So the point will be 4, 0. So its intercepts are, x-intercept is 4, y-intercept is 3. So if I change the color of this line, this is 4, here we have 3. So if we join these points by using a scale, this line will be formed, right? Let's do the next part now. Yeah, this is an important one. The x-coordinates of the x-coordinates of the point of intersection of this line and the curve are the solution of this equation, 2x squared plus ax plus b is equal to 0. First, we have to form this equation. Now, how are we going to form this equation? Look at the main statement. This is an equation given to us, y is equal to x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2. Y is equal to x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2. As line and curve are intersecting, so we can put both of these equations equal to each other. Now the equation of this line, it is 4y plus 3x is equal to 12. If we make y the subject here, we get 4y is equal to 12 minus 3x over 4. This is also equal to y, the equation of curve, and this one also equal to y. We can put them both equal because they are intersecting each other. So by putting them equal, we get x squared over 2 minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 12 minus 3x over 4. Now after by multiplying 4 to the left hand side, we get 2x squared minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 12 minus 3x. Right? Now shift 12 minus 3x to the left hand side, we get 2x squared minus 12x plus 8 minus 12 plus 3x equal to 0. And now finally we have 2x squared minus 12x plus 3x makes it minus 9x plus 8 minus 12 is minus 4 is equal to 0. By comparing this equation with the one given here in the part, we see that a should be equal to minus 9 and b will be equal to minus 4, so we can write down the values over here, minus 9 and minus 4. That's it.